Hey guys, so today I have got a huge haul to show you from a brand called Kleaver Klothing. If you're into horror like I am, you might have heard of the band Ice Nine Kills, and Spencer, the singer from Ice Nine Kills, also owns or does the brand Kleaver Klothing. They have asked if I wanted to show you guys some of this stuff, and obviously I said yes because I absolutely love them. I think they're amazing, so I totally fangirled when they asked if I wanted any of this. So I have filmed this once before, but we're doing it again because it sucked. So all the clothes are out of the packaging and stuff, but it's fine. We're just going to ignore that. This is their little business card with the website, which is salem666.com, and their Instagram, which is at Kleaver Klothing. So if you want to go and check them out, that is their information. And I do also have a discount code for 13% off, which is Luna13. So I'll put that here on the screen now, and I'll put all of that down below in the description as well. But I am just going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got is a t-shirt, and this is called the Devil's Crest t-shirt, and it's $35. So it says Kleaver Klothing across the top up here, and then it's got like a goat, like a black Phillip kind of goat with some antlers and some axes and some skulls and snakes and stuff. So just a black t-shirt, very cool. All of this stuff I would say personally is unisex, so any gender could wear it. Just plain on the back. In the packaging, I didn't love this one, honestly. I think this was my least favourite, but now that it's out, I actually really do like it, so I think that's really cool. There is that one. Then next we have this one. Again, this one was $35, and this is the Burn in Hell t-shirt. As you can see, it literally just says Burn in Hell on a black t-shirt. Very simple but effective. I would definitely layer this with other stuff like a hoodie and some necklaces and stuff, but very, very cute though. So that is our Burn in Hell t-shirt. I did get all of these in a size medium, by the way. I am a UK 12, so medium is generally what I go for, and they do fit great, so I would say true to size, which is good. So next we have a long sleeve Planchette t-shirt. This one is $55, and it's just got a Ouija planchette on the front with a little pentacle and skull and stuff like that. The arms do have a little elastic bottom bit. And that is that one. And then I got this one. So this one is the Goat of Satan t-shirt. It is a little similar to that first one. It just says Kleaver at the top, says Salem little down at the bottom, and then it's got a goat and some pentagrams and stuff. I think that this one is my favourite. I'm going to actually give this to my boyfriend for Christmas because I think that he'll like this one. So that is the Goat of Satan t-shirt. And then we have a hoodie. So this is the Dripping Pentagram hoodie. It's just black, has a hood and little pull ties. This one was $65. It's super, super thick and good quality. It's got like a fuzzy, sort of fluffy inside. I don't know if it's really going to show up on camera very well, but it's got like a furry inside, which is super soft. Love this. Just says Salem MA in the middle, so that is really nice. And then we go on to the little accessories I've got. So I got two candles, and these are $18.97. They both have this Kleaver Klothing logo on the top. This one's called Lucifer, and this one is called Basic Witch. So Lucifer is sandalwood and Basic Witch is pumpkin spice. Lucifer is like a dark pinky red kind of colour. They smell super, super strong. I would definitely say that this is a more masculine kind of scent, and this one is like a yellowy orange kind of colour. And that one, even though it's quite spicy, it kind of reminds me of a Christmas scent actually. I would say that that is the more feminine scent. So obviously anyone can like either of them, but if you were gonna maybe get one for like your brother or your dad or something for Christmas, I would say that the Lucifer might be maybe more what he would go for. But Both smell amazing, so there is those two. Then next I got a little hip flask, which is really cute. This is $15 and it's just like a matte black with a upside down white cross on it. Obviously it just unscrews at the top. You can put whatever drink you want in there. Again, really cute little stocking stuffer kind of idea for a Christmas present maybe. But yeah, that is the Unholy Flask. Then I got a little necklace. So it says Kleaver, Salem666.com, and it is actually like a little cleaver. So I'll get it out and show you. Again, personally, I would say that this is for any gender. It's pretty unisex. It's just a silver, like, kind of long chain. And it has the little cleaver knife on the end, which is really cute. And this is $15. And then the last thing I got, which I think is absolutely amazing, I got this box and stuff sent to me at work, and when I opened this, everybody was coming to look at it because it's just magical. This is the cheapest thing. This was only $10 and it's just a little wallet. So it has a slot for a card at the front and then two in the back. Just says Kleaver on the front with this kind of like wood grain sort of effect. But you can open it two ways. So it opens from this side and it also opens from this side. And I don't know if you just noticed, but one side has a cross and one side has two straight lines. And depending on which way you open it, the item that you have in here switches sides, which is just magic to me. I don't get how it's doing it. I know there's some kind of scientific way, but that is insane to me. I think it's really cute. I feel like a lot of people would really love that. I've shown everybody that I work with this because I thought it was so cool. So yeah, that was everything that I got from Kleaver Klothing. I absolutely love all of it. I love their brand. I love Ice 9 Kills. I just think it's all really cool. They've got so much stuff that you could use as Christmas gifts or just really nice clothes. So like I said, I'll put all the information for them down below, and if you are going to order anything, don't forget to use the discount code for a little bit of money off. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. I am going to put all of the things on my Instagram as well, so if you want a better look at anything, it is going to be on there, which is LunaLily YouTube. But yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.